The dusty, sun-baked road of Pererenan gave little hint of the transformation that had occurred just beyond a simple, wooden gate. Once, the land was a sun-scorched patch, a forgotten corner where only chickens scratched at the parched earth. Now, it was Bawa House, a testament to the quiet power of sustainable design. Raised on slender stilts, the house seemed to float above a sea of emerald green, a deliberate echo of the traditional Balinese dwellings that dotted the landscape. There was a sense of reverence in its low-slung profile, a gentle nod to the rhythm of the village. The air hummed with a subtle energy, a quiet celebration of nature reclaiming its rightful place. The heart of Bawa House lay in its thoughtful construction. Stilt Studios, true to their name, had orchestrated a symphony of prefabricated elements, a dance of steel and responsibly sourced timber. Each 3 by 3 meter module fit seamlessly into the next, a testament to precision and efficiency. The wood, chosen for its inherent carbon storage, breathed life into the structure, a tangible reminder of the house's minimal environmental footprint. Gone were the days of sprawling, wasteful construction. Here, every piece had a purpose, every material a story. This modularity not only sped up the building process, but ensured a level of quality control that resonated with the surrounding natural beauty. Stepping onto the elevated wooden walkways, one was immediately struck by the seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. The house, designed for a modern family, was a study in openness. Minimalist in its approach, it embraced the Balinese climate with open arms. Large sliding doors and floor-to-ceiling windows blurred the lines between interior and exterior, allowing the sun to paint the rooms with golden light. The 3 distinct buildings, each perched at slightly different heights, created a dynamic interplay of perspectives. The eye was drawn along elongated sight lines, making the compact site feel expansive, a carefully orchestrated illusion of space. The garden, a lush tapestry of tropical foliage, was as much a part of the house as the walls and roof. Trees reached skyward, their canopies forming a verdant embrace around the highest building, while broad, leafy plants cascaded down towards the shimmering surface of the swimming pool. The deliberate use of vertical lines in the garden echoed the stilted structure, creating a sense of unity between architecture and nature. This vibrant ecosystem had quickly become a haven for local wildlife, a testament to the restorative power of thoughtful design. The garden also played a vital role in regulating the site's microclimate, providing a cool respite from the sweltering Balinese sun. Bawa House stood as a quiet rebellion against the encroaching tide of high-density development. It was a gentle reminder that modern living could coexist harmoniously with the environment, that sustainability wasn't a sacrifice but a celebration. In the midst of southern Bali's relentless motion, it offered an oasis of calm, a sanctuary where nature and design intertwined. The house was not merely a dwelling, it was a living, breathing testament to the power of thoughtful architecture, a whisper of hope in a rapidly changing landscape.